Hi guys, and welcome to Feel Good class for your shoulders. This class is going to be great for everyone who just looking to release the tension in your upper body, your shoulders. If you spend a lot of time in a rounded position, sitting at your office desk or maybe driving, come back to this class just to open your shoulders and have more freedom in your upper body. So let's get started. You can start in any comfortable seat. I'm gonna start in a kneeling position and I'm gonna place the fingertips onto your shoulders and make a circles of your elbows. Okay, let's do 3 more, just slowly warming up and change direction. And 3 more. Beautiful. Last one. And release. From here, we're going to take left fingertips down, right hand up and over. Just for one breath. And take it to other side. Right fingertips down. Your armpit spiraling up towards the sky. And let's do one more each side, moving with the breath. Inhale as you rise up. Exhale, take a side bend. Beautiful. Let's face forward. Come back into your tabletop. Stack your shoulders directly over your wrist and your hips over your knees. And from here, let's take a few cat-cows. Arch the spine, look up. Exhale, round. Push the shoulder blades away from each other. Okay, 3 more. And round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. And last one. Nice and slow. There is no need to rush the movement. Okay, from here we're gonna press into the left hand, right arm towards the sky. Exhale, thread the needle. And again, inhale up. Exhale, thread it through. Let's take one more. And thread it through. This time, place the right shoulder down. Keep the even weight in both knees. And then maybe you want to walk that left hand forward. Okay, so press into that back of the arm to activate and stretch a little bit more. Deep breaths. Sometimes it's hard to breathe into this while you're in this twisted position, so just doing your best. And slowly bring a hand back, counter twist, and release it down. Okay, this time pressing into right hand, left hand up, and thread it through. Again. Exhale. Last one. And this time place it down. Crawl your fingertips forward, or you can stay hand by your face, it's up to you. Taking deep breaths into your diaphragm. One more deep breath. And press back to come back. Beautiful. From here, we're going to transition into your puppy pose. So from kneeling position, walk your hands forward. Keep the elbows straight and melt your chest down. Okay, place your forehead down. maybe chest, chin, wherever you are. Three more breaths. Okay, and from here, place your forearms down, and we're gonna come on our bellies. A little bit more active work for our shoulders. Okay, so let's come all the way onto the belly. Hands in front of you, and your thumbs are facing towards the sky. You can bring the forehead down. Make a fist of your hands, except your thumb. And from here, we're going to try to lift both hands off the floor 10 times. Okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Very good. Bring your hands down. Press back into your tabletop. Okay, so this is going to be similar to the last exercise, but we're going to incorporate the legs as well for extra core and balance. So place the right toes down, straighten the knee, and left arm in front of you. Okay, pressing into the right hand as well. We're gonna take an inhale. On an exhale, we're gonna lift arm and the leg, engaging your posterior deltoid muscles, your shoulder and your glutes. And again, tap and lift. Tap and lift. 2 more. And last one, we're gonna hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Let's do other side. Left toes down and right pinky finger down on the mat. Okay, really pressing into the left hand. And we're gonna take an inhale, exhale, lift. Okay, lower belly in and lift. And 3, 2, and 1, and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and slowly release. Let's come back into your tabletop and tuck your toes straight away for extra toe stretch. Let's come into the kneeling. And we're going to interlace your hands behind your back. Open the chest, straighten the elbows, maybe looking up. Hold here for 2 more breaths. If that's more comfortable for your neck, you can gaze forward. 1 more breath. And slowly release. Beautiful job. Okay, from here we're gonna take another shoulder stretch. Eagle arms. And you can do from any position, but I recommend doing from Malasana. So come into Malasana just for extra hip stretch. And I'm gonna interlace our elbows right under the left. And hold here, okay? Pressing the knees out. If that's too intense, you also can come onto your kneeling position. You can do it standing up or in a cross position or whatever you choose, okay? We're gonna hold here for 2 more breaths. Elbows forward. Okay, I'm gonna show you from the side. My back is nice and long. And release. Okay, ready for other side. Left elbow under. Elbows pressing forward. Okay, maybe swaying side to side. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's place the fingertips down. Come into your Malasana if you haven't yet. We're gonna place left hand down, right hand up. Open the chest. And switch. And switch. One more each side. Beautiful. And release. Straighten the knees. Take a little break. And one more time from forward fold. Interlace your hands behind your lower back. Start straightening the elbows as you bring your knuckles towards the sky, towards the ceiling. Okay, bring more weight into your toes. Big shoulder opener. One more deep breath. And slowly release. Stay in your bent knee forward fold, left hand down. We're gonna take a twist, left knee bends, right knee straightens. And release. Other side. And one more each side. Beautiful. Place your hands down, come into your high plank, lower your knees down, and let's take a last puppy pose, this time with the blocks, or you can use any elevated surface like a chair. Place the whole hand down, walk your knees back, maintain the stacking of the hips over your knees, and melt your chest down. Let's hold here for 5 more breaths. Okay, 2 more. And press back. To come back, walk your knees back. For our last stretch, we're going to do side bend. So come into the seated position where your one leg is open to the side and other leg like a half butterfly. From here, we're going to place right hand either inside the right knee or somewhere on the opposite leg. Okay, so experiment here, what feels more comfortable. And we're gonna begin left arm towards the sky and take a side bend. Okay, towards direction of your right toes. Okay, so making sure you're not closed here. Your armpit is spiraling towards the sky. Neck is relaxed. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly rise up. Okay, let's take it to other side. Okay, left hand down. Big stretch for your right side. Deep breaths. And last breath, inhale into your nose. and slowly rise up. Okay, let's come to the seat. Well done, everyone. I hope your shoulders feels nice and loose. And to finish off, we're gonna take a just easy roll for our neck. So place your hands down, bring the chin towards the chest, and half circles, shoulder to shoulder. Maybe you want to increase the circles, bring your chin up, making a full circle. Shoulders down, face relaxed, take it to other side. Last one. When you're ready, slowly gaze forward. Reach your hands towards the sky. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Take your hands to your heart, thanking your body for all it does for us every day.